Right now, as you're watching this, the universe may already be over. Not ending, not collapsing, not about to explode. Over, finished, dead. And the only reason you don't know it is because you're living inside its afterimage. Light takes time to travel. Information has limits. Reality itself has a speed limit. If something catastrophic happened far enough away, you wouldn't find out for millions, billions, or even trillions of years. What if the universe didn't die in the future? What if it already happened, and we're just waiting for the news to arrive? We experience the universe as if it's happening in real time. We look at the sun, and it feels present, but the sunlight touching your skin right now left the sun 8 minutes ago. You're not seeing the sun, you're seeing 8-minute-old history. When you look at the nearest star beyond it, you see it as it was years ago. When astronomers look at distant galaxies, they're seeing them millions or billions of years in the past. The deeper we look into space, the further back in time we see. Astronomers don't just look across distance, they look into history. The observable universe is a museum of delayed information. Everything in the sky is already outdated. If we can only see the past, how do we know the present still exists? The universe has a maximum speed, the speed of light. Nothing travels faster, not matter, not information, not gravity, not causality itself. If a galaxy billions of light years away was completely annihilated right now, we wouldn't know for billions of years. The explosion, the collapse, the extinction of trillions of stars would remain hidden until the light reaches us. Until then, we would continue believing everything is fine, because as far as we can tell, it is. But that's not reality, that's delay. Now imagine something larger. What if something didn't just destroy a galaxy? What if something destroyed everything? There is a real scientific possibility called false vacuum decay. According to quantum field theory, our universe may not be in a stable state. It may be sitting in a temporary energy configuration, like a ball resting in a shallow dip that could roll into a deeper valley. If that happens, a bubble of true vacuum would form and expand at the speed of light, rewriting the laws of physics as it moves. Atoms would no longer hold together. Forces would change. Reality itself would be replaced. And we wouldn't see it coming, because it moves at light speed. By the time the light from the bubble reaches us, the bubble is already here. There is no warning, no flash in the distance, no incoming wave. One moment you exist, the next moment you don't. But what if it already started far away, billions of light years out, and the wave is traveling toward us right now, silently, unstoppable, invisible? There is also a boundary to what we can see called the observable universe. Beyond that limit, no light has had enough time to reach us since the beginning of cosmic expansion. There could be regions beyond that boundary where physics has already changed, where galaxies were erased, where reality ended, and we would never know because the information cannot reach us yet. From our perspective, everything looks normal, but that's just our local bubble, and bubbles can pop. Even without sudden catastrophe, the universe is aging. Stars burn their fuel and eventually fade. New stars form more slowly over time. The cosmos grows darker, colder, quieter. This long decline is often described as the heat death of the universe, when energy differences disappear and complexity fades into uniformity. Entropy increases, disorder spreads. The universe has an expiration trajectory. We assume that trajectory lies far in the future, but what if we're already deep inside the decline? Observations suggest that star formation peaked billions of years ago. The universe was once more active, brighter, more violent, more creative. Now it is calmer and less productive. What if this isn't the rise of the universe, but its long fade? There are billions of galaxies, hundreds of billions of stars in each, and yet we see no clear signs of advanced civilizations. If the cosmos is so vast, why does it feel so silent? One unsettling possibility is that we are living late in cosmic history, when expansion is accelerating and galaxies are drifting beyond reach. Because of dark energy, distant galaxies are receding from us at ever-increasing speeds as space itself expands. Eventually, many of them will move beyond our cosmic horizon, not by breaking the speed limit locally, but because space between us stretches too quickly. Future observers might look up and see only their local galaxy, with no evidence of a larger universe beyond. They would believe they live in isolation because all other light would have faded beyond their observable boundary. It's possible that vast regions of the universe are already causally disconnected from us, forever beyond interaction. From our point of view, they might as well not exist. When we say the universe, we really mean the portion still visible and reachable, and that portion is effectively shrinking in terms of what we can influence or observe. Combine all of this. We only see the past. Information is delayed, expansion accelerates separation, entropy increases, star formation declines, and catastrophic vacuum transitions are theoretically possible. From where we stand, everything appears stable, but our perspective is limited. We might not live in a young, ever-brightening cosmos. We might live in a fading echo, a cosmic afterimage, like the lingering glow of a star that already burned out, but whose light is still traveling. Imagine looking at the night sky and realizing that what you see could be ancient light from events long concluded. We are always observing ghosts of what once was. The most unsettling possibility isn't simply that the universe will end someday. It's that it could end silently, instantly, without warning, beyond our horizon. And we would have no way of knowing until information finally reached us, if it ever does. The universe doesn't have to end with a dramatic explosion. It can end with distance, with delay, with silence. Somewhere far beyond what we can currently observe, the story might already be over, and we are living in the last flickers of transmitted light. The sky looks calm. The stars appear steady. The cosmos feels eternal. But you are not seeing reality in real time. You are seeing history, and history is always behind. If something ended far enough away, you wouldn't know until it no longer mattered. So when you look up at the night sky, consider this. Are those stars alive in this moment? Or are we watching the universe's final memories? And if the universe might already be dead, how long do we have left before the news reaches us?